Hey guys, it's Shadei and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm doing a makeup haul, and the company Hush or shophush.com, they sent me like so many makeup products to try, which I'm really excited about. And this is everything, and it all came in this box, and I'm really excited about it because I think this is like the most palettes that I've ever gotten from one company before, and I'm just really excited to go through these things. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I got, and I'm going to do some swatches as well. This is a long-awaited video, but I have just been like so busy with graduation stuff and kind of like taking a break for a minute and just letting everything settle in. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into it. I've never actually like tried this company before. I have heard about it before. There are many videos on YouTube of people like trying out their stuff. So they're a pretty like popular brand. They're like big on Instagram, things like that also. And like I said, guys, like they are super affordable. Like most of these palettes and things I'm going to show you are like $10 to $12. I did notice that a few of these palettes, they have different company names on them. So all of the eyeshadow palettes say Bad Habit Beauty on them, and I have two highlighter palettes that say FaceCandyMakeup.com. So I guess those are the brands. So out of all the things that they sent me, I got 3 smaller eyeshadow palettes, and then I got 2 big ones that come with 18 colors, which I don't think I have any eyeshadow palettes currently that have 18. And I got 2 highlighter palettes, and I don't have any highlighter palettes as of right now, and I definitely don't have like any of like the colorful highlighter palettes. Yeah, I probably will do like a separate video on these too. So I'm going to show you guys this first palette, which is called Athena by Bad Habit Beauty. So this is what it looks like. So there are like some mattes in here. There are like some like shimmer shades, and there's like one like glitter kind of shade in here, which is like kind of interesting. It actually has like glitter, and there's of course a huge mirror, as you guys can see, and there's my camera. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I think that the colors are really pretty. Like this is like a really nice color palette like for summer, and I'm going to do a quick swatch for these so that you guys can see like what they look like on my skin color. Okay, so these are the swatches that I did. Don't ask me why they're like kind of like crooked. Now this glitter one right here, I like a lot. It did kind of have like, you know, a lot of fallout. I don't have like any glitter eyeshadow, so I feel like I can like do something interesting that I normally wouldn't do with this. And these I guess like matte colors, they are really pigmented. These are like more like buttery kind of shades, and this one is $12. The next one is the Aphrodite Palette. Pretty much the same like design, but just black. So they all have these like really nice big mirrors. These are like the glittery shades, and these are like the matte shades. And I'm just gonna try to do a swatch for this black really quick so you guys can see. I love like a good dark black. As you guys can see, like you could put your hand in there and they will make like a pretty good like dent in it. Just gonna do this one really quick also so that you guys can see what it looks like. And so those are just some other colors just so you guys can kind of get like a glimpse of like how pigmented they are. Okay, so this Retro Love palette is one of the palettes that people say is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills, I believe the Subculture palette, which I do not have, but the shades are pretty similar. I do like these shades. I like these 2 like deep purple shades, and I like these 2 like deep green shades. So I'm not the best with swatching. This is like one of the darker like blue-green colors. So it's really pigmented. Okay, so these were the ones that I just swatched, and as you guys can see, they do show up pretty well. I really like this gold shade right here. So I will say, like, I'm noticing that as like I swatch them, that like there is like fallout. So I feel like when I'm putting them on my eyes, I'm gonna have to like brush away like a lot of stuff, especially with the more like glittery shades. Like there's a lot, there just is. But I think the color payoff is really good. So all these smaller palettes are $10, and they come with 14 eyeshadows. If you're someone like me who does not like spending like $30, $40 for a palette, then these are at least worth trying. So this next one that I'm going to show you guys is called Inferno, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so there's like some peaches, some pinks, some like deep kind of like reds or maroons. So I think that this is like a really nice palette for fall just because of the colors, and these are like a lot of like fall friendly colors that I would wear. These are like summer friendly colors also. So this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, this brown one showed up really well. As I said before, like the matte ones, they are very well pigmented, and these are like the more like shimmery shades right here. So this next one is the Aurora Bad Habit palette. Yeah, so these are all the colors. So this yellow is really like the only like bright color. I like this like ecstasy color right here and this purple shade. So I'm gonna swatch those two. Wow, these are really pretty. Okay, so these are really pretty. Now this middle one right here was the shade Ecstasy, and it's like a deep green. This purple one is called Destiny, and it's like a deep purple with like some kind of black in there. And this one right here, it looks like it's completely silver on camera. It's actually like periwinkle kind of blue and silver, and I like these a lot. Okay, and just because I'm gonna show you guys this color, the really bright color that's called Energy. As you guys can see, that one is really bright as well. Yeah, so those are all the eyeshadow palettes, and I tried to go kind of quickly through those because there's a few. The last thing that I'm going to show in this haul are these two highlighter palettes. One of them is in Mermaid Glow, and the other one is Unicorn Glow, and these are by Face Candy Makeup. Whoa! Now this has a really big mirror. That's why I said whoa. Yeah, so these are the highlighter shades, and this is like a unicorn kind of like theme palette, so that's why the shades are like these colors. These remind me of like the Anastasia Beverly Hills, like their like highlighter palettes that came out like a while ago that were like the different colors, like the blues and the purples and the pinks and things like that. And although I think that it looks pretty in the packaging, for my skin complexion, I just don't realistically see me like wearing these. But I am going to try them, and I probably will just do like a separate video like of me trying these actually like on. The next one is the Mermaid Glow Highlighter Collection palette, and now this one is pretty similar to the other palette that I just showed you guys. Yeah, so they're both still like colors I typically would not wear for highlighters. Okay, so the Mermaid Glow and the Unicorn Glow, they are a bundle, so you get two of these for $24, which is really good actually if you were into like the color highlighter and things like that. So that was all the stuff that I got from Swatches.com. They sent me all the stuff to try for free, which I'm really grateful for. So I mean, all this stuff is like really affordable. I mean, compared to like regular price stuff, and that's like one of like my favorite things that I like about this stuff so far. I'm pretty impressed by the color payoff. I honestly didn't think that it would be that great for the price, and since I know that these are not like higher end brands, like I didn't really know what to expect. I hope that this video wasn't all over the place. This is like one of like my bigger PR packages that I have received, and I'm just always still really excited and surprised when people send me stuff because I am a small YouTube channel. So that's going to be for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below if you guys have tried this stuff out before, or if you guys want to see me try out the like highlighter palettes in a different video. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and I will see you in the next video.